Hello viewer, Google Messages introduce a trash feature that store deleted chat for 30 days before permanently deleting them. Now user can restore their deleted chat before 30 days. So let's see how to turn on new Google Message trash feature. So step 1, tap and hold on Google Message app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Now click on App Details in Store. Now scroll down. From here, please join Google Message beta program because Google Message introduced the new trash feature for the beta version. So please join Google Message beta program. Then scroll up. Now update your Google Message app. So follow these 2 steps to turn on trash feature on Google Messages.